What's up, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and I am coming at you again with this 2017 Jeep Renegade. This was phase 2 of the lighting makeover on this vehicle. Phase 1 were those headlights right there. There is a build video on YouTube somewhere. You can look that up if you want to see those. What we did this time around was continuing the Blackout theme. So previously I had done the headlights and those little side markers there. This time what I did was I took apart those right there and painted the interior black and then replaced the fog lights with Morimoto XB LED fogs. So this assembly right here is the turn signal and running light down in there, and I replaced both those bulbs with the profile peak bulbs. And also what I did was, this looks white, but if you get up on it, took that apart too and painted the inside a black, and then replaced that with an amber Morimoto T10. And then as well as on the rear, the reflectors down there, that used to be that red reflective material, that is now painted black. So it looks a lot cleaner, and so we like it. So the Blackout theme is coming along real well. Let's see. License plate bulbs got replaced to LED. The only way to do that is to relocate incandescent bulbs inside the hatch. Trust me, I tried every other alternative. Turn signals up front only require a load resistor, just like normal, and the bulbs in the back reverse is fine. You can do an LED bulb on that, as we have the Morimoto bulbs in there. These guys right there and there, terrible design by Jeep, personal opinion, but we've got two single filament bulbs side by side, and both of them are wired in parallel, and the running light is a 4-volt being delivered to it, and then brake and turn signal is 12 volt. So you can't replace those with LED because LED does not dim, it's just on or off. So that's kind of a bummer. That was an objective, but did not get passed. But again, these are blacked out, those are blacked out, those are blacked out, those are blacked out, and those are blacked out. And so now I'm gonna show you what it's like when it's running. Yes, so I love this. This is just the halo that's running right there, that inner halo. Right down there, we've got the profile peak white and the Morimoto XB LED. It looks good. Turn signal. So the headlight is overwhelmingly turn signal. Down there you can see we've also got the profile LED bulb blinking, and then on this side right here, the profile bulb blinking. And while we're at it, we'll go back here to show you, blinker, but these are the LED license plate lights that look so fresh and so clean. That's pretty much all for this phase of the build. Just cosmetic stuff really, but it came out really nice. And this is 13. I'll talk to you later. See ya.